He's repairing an iPad mini today. It seems like it's been a while since he last worked on a mini. Look at its compact size. Both the feel and performance are excellent. Very nice. However, the battery is a bit swollen. As usual, he uses a spudger and alcohol to cut the adhesive. Opening the screen reveals that the battery has been replaced before. And the battery film wasn't even removed. A pressure plate wasn't installed either. Plus, the screen is full of fingerprints. The previous repair job was quite sloppy. He disconnects the screen cable. He uses a battery spatula and alcohol to remove the swollen battery. The battery is successfully removed. After cleaning, he wipes away the remaining adhesive with a lint-free cloth. He uses a tape remover to clean up the battery adhesive. Next, he takes out a new battery and starts to install it. He gently presses to secure the battery. Then, he cleans up the remaining old adhesive around the edges. After that, he connects the screen cable. He finds a pressure plate and installs it. He applies new adhesive. He closes the screen. He wipes away any excess adhesive from the edges. He turns on the device to check. All functions are working properly. Repair complete.